everyone, this is Lisa from the Rhinestone World, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cut and press a two-color tank top with our EasyWeed vinyl and our brand new Silhouette Cameo 3. I have my design set up in my studio software. Now I'm going to do pink EasyWeed with gold glitter, so I need to mirror this because I'm cutting on HTV. I'm going to select the whole thing and flip horizontally. Now I'm going to use scrap vinyl, so typically I like to cut by color so I don't have to move anything, but for this purpose I'm going to move part of my design out of the way. So let's move the glitter out, and I have may contain still here. I'm going to draw a box around it just to make it easier to weed later. Again, it's a personal preference, but if it is something you like to do, that's what I do for mine. So I'm ready to set up my first cut. Because everything on my cutting mat will be cut now, I'm just going to stay on normal one, go to cut. My software knows I have a Cameo 3 plugged in, so it gives me the option of Tool 1 and Tool 2. I'm going to work in Tool 1. This right here is EasyWeed. I already have it programmed for me. Let's double check to make sure it has the automatic blade. It does. So I'm going to load it, cut it, and now I'm going to do my second color afterwards. Here's my pink. I have it loaded with the color down, matte side up, shiny side down. I'm going to load it into my machine and press cut in my software. Now don't forget, there's only load and unload, no load cut mat or load media. So make sure when you're using your cutting mat that your software says you're using a cutting mat. Going to unload it and set up my next cut. I just cut my pink vinyl. Now I'm ready to set up my glitter cut. Going to drag this out of the way and bring my glitter in. So now you'll see that it'll have a red line around it. That's basically what it's going to cut now. So I need to change the shape of my box to match this cutout. We have it here. We're all set. Now let's go to our cut settings. And now we're going to change the material over to my glitter HTV preset. Let's double check. I have my automatic blade set. My speed is good. My thickness is good. So I'm going to load my vinyl and then cut it. Here is my second vinyl. You can see the glitter texture here. I have it shiny side down. I'm going to load it in and cut this one. My vinyl is cut. I'm going to use my weeding tool and weed it out. Let's look for the box. And I'm just going to go ahead and take out the excess. Now I just need to cut this out, save this scrap piece of vinyl. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to peel this from the outside. That way I don't have to keep cutting. Here's the first one. Now let's weed our glitter. Let's find the box on here. Here it is. so that looks good. Let's trim that off. Just like before, let's just rip these off. You can go ahead and see that's about how our design is going to look. So we're going to go over to the heat press and press this onto our shirt. Now I am ready to press. Here's my tank top. I have it set up on my heat press. My heat press is set at 305 degrees. It's a good temperature for EasyWeed, and the glitter does have about a 30-degree variance that it can do. So it's safe for both of them. I'm going to do a quick pre-press to get some of the moisture out, especially in Florida. You're going to have a lot of humidity. Let's press it just for a few seconds to get it out. Good. Now we're ready for our first press. This is a relaxed fit shirt, so it gets a little tricky with lining up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the collar as a guide. So let's check up here. Looks pretty good. And I'm going to bring it close up to the neckline. This is a deep scoop, so I want it to be pretty high up. So let's check it. You can see that collar is kind of weird. Let's bring it over like here. And I'm just going to slide it back up. Now I'm going to get my cover sheet. Let's cover it. And because we're layering our vinyl, we're going to do just a quick 1 to 2 second press, enough to get my EasyWeed to stick. Let's bring this up. You can see my EasyWeed is down. Let's bring it up just a little bit for our next color. And here's our glitter. Let's find the placement in here. Now with this, you can see that the carrier sheet will cut off this vinyl here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick press again, just a couple seconds, remove the carrier, and then press again. And the reason why is if I do the full 15 seconds with this carrier on, I'm going to have a dent in there, and I don't want that. It won't go away in the wash. Let's cover. Just a couple seconds. All right. Let's bring this up. Oh, it's so cute. All right. Now we're going to cover the whole thing and then press for 15 seconds. Let's remove our cover sheet. And there you have it. We have a 2-color EasyWeed and glitter tank top designed and cut on our new Silhouette Cameo 3. So if you have any questions, you can email us at info@therhinestoneworld.com.